So the question is, why do we need to learn Linux for IT? So as IT people, why do you think we need a Linux? And the reason is this: it is the best choice for servers. It's lightweight, and so it is easy to provision, and it is easy to customize. It's just like buying an engine. And once you buy a car engine, you can go buy the parts, and then you buy the tires, and then you create your own kind of car. So basically, when it comes to Linux, it is very lightweight, and it also has the opportunity or the flexibility to customize. And this is why most people would choose it as an operating system of choice. Another reason is that for DevOps, it is one of the biggest concepts that you need to know, if not the biggest. It's the basic and the fundamental concept that you need to know to be able to work on DevOps. The reason is that with DevOps, you're going to be working on lots and lots of servers and technologies that are built on Linux. So even if you're going to learn about containers, these containers normally will be built on top of Linux, lightweight. If you're going to be creating servers, these servers are going to be built on maybe Linux. If you're going to do some virtualizations, mostly it's going to be using some Linux backbone or something. And even most cloud platforms on the backbone are using Linux as well. And so normally as DevOps people, the most important concept that you would want to learn is Linux.